My name is Dinesh. I am studying in third class. My topic is light and sound. We are going to four things learn. Light, source of light, shadow, what is a sound, and types of sound. First, source of light. Light help us to see. Today, tube lights and luminous. Luminous objects are sun and candle. Sun will be used to bring light in the earth and candle will be used to room in a table. And non-luminous table and tree. Table and tree will be not bring light and sound. That why table used to eat food and tree used to eat food. And second, shadows. Shadow example. Shadow when an object blocks the path of a light and it forms a drag here called is shadow. Formed by shadow. Morning shadow will be long, moon shadow will be short, and evening shadow will be long. That's what is sound. We can treat an object with the sound and effects. We hear sound with the help of the ears. Parrot sound will be here in our ears, and that wise we exactly instance the parrot. Second, types of sounds. We have different types of sound like consonants, noise, pleasant sound, like noise. Noise will be bring from car, buses, bikes. That pleasant music are might say music, speaker, loud music, and